Hello everyone, I'm Sean, alright, and this is Everyday Food Reviews. Today, I've got a set of 3 energy drinks from Oshee, and they are Swallow Mango and Chili flavour, Cat Apple-Kiwi flavour, and Blizzard Strawberry and Lime flavour. So, these 3 drinks from Oshee, a Polish company. We've reviewed a few of their energy drinks before, and these are gaming editions based on The Witcher. The Witcher is a Polish novel or series of novels on which they based a series of games made by CD Projekt Red, who were a Polish game developer. And also based on the novels, they based a TV series, which I do believe was based on the novel and not on the game. These drinks, however, are certainly based on the game. It says gaming edition on them around the top. Now, there's a little bit here that I don't understand because it's written in Polish, but I think it's telling you to go to GOG.com and download something with CD Projekt Red and Oshee, but it's not completely apparent what that is because it's not in English. So we've got 32 milligrams of caffeine per 100 ml. We've got juice, apple juice 20%, so 20% juice in this mango flavoured one, and presumably that means we've got some sugar. We do 4.9 grams of sugar per 100 ml. Now, I first saw these posted on the Australian Blokes and Their Energy Drinks Facebook group. I say Australian, it's very much not Australian anymore, it's pretty international. But somebody posted a picture of, I think it was only one of these drinks or 2 of these drinks, and said they were in Home Bargains. And my friend Alex, I asked her to keep an eye out. So I know, like myself, she goes to a lot of Home Bargains. She happened to be in Home Bargains before me. She saw them, 69p each for all 3, £2.07 for all 3. Now, in Home Bargains, they are not refrigerated, something to bear in mind. That said, we'll get straight into it. I'll quickly show you each can. We'll start with the Mango and Chili, because that's the one I'm most apprehensive about. We will end with the Apple and Kiwi, because that is the one I am most excited about. So, the can. We've got the Witcher logo there. Energy Elixir, natural caffeine, which is interesting. Witcher potion, mango and chili flavour. And we've got the details here of that promotion. And then I think we've got the same information again as on the other side of the can, but in Polish with Gerald from the Witcher rather than the cat logo. So I don't know what swallow is, if that's a reference to how you consume the drink, or if it's a game reference to do with a bird, like cat is presumably to do with a cat. But mango and chili. It's interesting. Okay, I've opened it, I can smell mango. What is interesting is that it doesn't seem to proudly display the fact that it's 20% juice, but then it's a mango energy drink and it's 20% apple juice and only 0.1% mango juice. Now, it is natural caffeine though, which is good for the people who care about those things. You know, the people who drink Sneak because they strongly imply when asked directly whether or not their drink uses natural caffeine, they strongly imply that it does, even though it doesn't. So, it smells of mango. Can't really smell chili at all. There is something a little bit off about the mango, but then, you know, comparing this to other mango drinks, 0.1% mango juice is low. We'll try it. Cheers. It's sour, but not in a good way. Doesn't taste of chili at all. Doesn't taste smooth like you'd expect any drink with that much juice to taste. It just tastes sour and fizzy and watery. That's got to be amongst the worst mango drinks I've had. If we're competing for the worst, it's up there with Boost, Mango Boost. I hate to say that. That being said, it's fairly light, fairly clean. I'm not getting much of that chili, but if it's only a little hint of chili, it's going to be potentially hard to distinguish it from the sort of sensation of the carbon dioxide in the drink. You know, if it's just a little bit of a tingle. We'll try Blizzard, strawberry and lime flavour. Show you the can again. Very much the same, except it says the word Blizzard instead of the word swallow. And it's turquoise instead of orange. It's got turquoise detail on it. Tops of all of these are silver. Oh, it's pink, like strawberry. Sorry, I should have said, these are 500ml cans, all with 32 milligrams of caffeine per 100ml. Again, 20% apple juice, black carrot concentrate, presumably for colour, natural strawberry flavouring, drink chilled, do not mix with alcohol. So, it smells of strawberry. It's quite an earthy strawberry. It reminds me of I can't even remember what the brand was, but it was a Polish energy drink brand, and they had a wild strawberry flavour. It reminds me a bit of that, and that it's a bit earthy, but also it smells quite sweet, and there's a bit of citrus there, but it smells more like citrus floor cleaner than like a strawberry and lime Copperberg or something like that. Cheers. This one's okay. I prefer it to the mango one, but it does have a very, I don't know, a very soapy sort of taste to it. The soapy aspect, I think that the way, I think it's the lime. It doesn't taste like a clean, sharp lime. It tastes kind of soapy. It's fine. I expected more from Oshee. I'll be honest, I did. I expected more from Oshee. Apple and Kiwi. Now, it'd be very difficult to get an apple and kiwi flavour wrong. However, I know it's not impossible because Relentless have managed it. But, again, same can design, but it says cat. We've got a lime green detail on the can. I didn't check. Presumably this one also has 20% apple juice. It does. Oh no, I've spoilt it. I've just seen what colour it's going to be. It's green. I haven't spoilt it then. So presumably there's a mixture of colours in here. Oh yeah, yeah. I just saw colour, brilliant blue, and thought, oh, it's going to be blue like the Apple and Kiwi burn, but it's not. There's some other colours in there, and it's green overall. So it smells of apple. I don't know what they've done to it. It smells like apple fairy liquid. Cheers. I just had to taste some from the can because I'm sure I'm going to get comments saying maybe the glasses weren't rinsed properly if they all taste soapy. They taste the same from the can. It tastes a bit of apple. It tastes a bit of just sourness, like quite unpleasant sourness, and it tastes a bit of soap. I didn't want to be too negative about any one of these. Tried the first one, I thought the next two would bring it back. Tried the second one, I thought maybe that's just not to my taste. Apple and Kiwi though, that's where I live. I thought this would redeem it. No. That's potentially the least drinkable out of the three of them. It's sour and unpleasant, and it tastes like dish soap. I don't know what Oshee have done to ruin these drinks. I do now understand though why they didn't put 20% juice on each of them, because if they did, we'd feel even more cheated when you pick up a can and it tastes thin and watery. That's just so unpleasant. It's not even like it's full of BCAAs or electrolytes. Oh, excuse me. I think this is the most disappointed I have ever been. No. No, it's not. The new Monster Assault was the most disappointed I've ever been in an energy drink video. This is a close second. I like Oshee. I respect the fact that Oshee are out there doing mad things, like the kombu, the kombu radler. They were mad. They taste just like lager, but they're energy drinks with no alcohol. They taste more like lager than some lagers that I've had. That's mad. It's a mad idea. It's even madder that they could actually pull it off so well. And yet, they've got this deal or partnership or whatever with a big franchise, a big game franchise, a TV series franchise. You know, it's a big deal now, The Witcher. And they're just shit. They're absolute shit. I don't understand why. It's not like they can't make a drink. It's not like they've compromised it to squeeze something in there that we wouldn't expect to be there, like say like BCAAs or electrolytes. They've just made 3 drinks with 3 different names. They stuck a bloke on the can in black and white, and they're all shit. So natural flavourings and natural caffeine if you're interested in that. I'm going to wrap it up because I'm just flabbergasted. Thanks very much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Cheers.